Hey guys, today we'll be talking about how to make money on Amazon in 2021, 15 killer methods. If you're worried that you have missed the e-commerce boat, don't worry, it's just getting moving. While several e-commerce companies like eBay, Shopify can make selling products online easy, in my experience the best way to make money online is with Amazon. Amazon is a huge opportunity for those who want to join the world of e-commerce in 2020. Amazon racked in $3.86 billion in revenue, over half of which was fueled by the third party sales. But what can you do to get a piece of Amazon's pie? There are tons of great ways to earn cash on Amazon, so to help you find what method might work best for you, this article dives into the top ways to make money on Amazon in 2021. Sell your own private label products on Amazon. The best way to make money on Amazon in 2021 is still through private label sales using Amazon's FBA network. Around 71% of all Amazon sellers run their business using the private label method. How much money can I make selling private label products on Amazon? Approximately $625 to $1,875 per month per product. Publishing your own books on Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon's KDP allows you to publish your own book on Amazon, and this is my second favorite way to make money on Amazon. How much money can I make writing for KDP? Up to $40,000 per month. I've heard that some authors make as much as $40,000 per month, but these authors tend to be prolific and write tropically to gain notice. Sell wholesale products on Amazon. Similar to private label, selling wholesale involves purchasing bulk quantities of product to sell using Amazon's FBA network. How much money can I make selling wholesale goods on Amazon? Up to $3,000 to $4,000 per month. While wholesaling on Amazon has become notoriously more difficult, in the last few years it is still a great way to earn money. Deliver goods for Amazon. By now you probably know that Amazon has its own delivery service, but did you know that you can join Amazon's delivery fleet as a driver? They might even pay you $10,000 to get started. How much money can I make on Amazon working as a flex driver? Approximately $100 per day. Become a blogger. Ever wanted to start a lifestyle blog, publish how to videos or recipes, or otherwise get your thoughts and ideas published? You can make money from Amazon while doing that. How much money can I make as an Amazon affiliate? This money making method varies greatly in return. The Amazon Associates program is probably the most popular affiliate program on the internet. Flip, brought, Flip store bought products with retail arbitrage. If you used to watch US version of The Office, you might remember the episode where Dwight brought up all the Princess Unicorn dolls around Christmas tree. His plan was to sell them for $200 to last minute shoppers. How much money can I make doing retail arbitrage on Amazon? Anywhere from $300 to $2,000 per month. Buy on eBay to sell on Amazon. Frankly, I've never been a huge fan of the retail arbitrage. It feels like a lot of work for a very little return. However, I did enjoy online arbitrage, which is very similar to retail arbitrage. How much money can I make on Amazon with online arbitrage? Approximately $200 to $500 per month. Work from home as an Amazon representative. Amazon is quickly becoming one of the largest employers in the world. Following their purchase of Whole Foods in 2017, Amazon now has approximately 650,000 employees. How much money can I make on Amazon as a work from home employee? Around $30,000 per year as a full time representative. Join the Mechanical Turk program. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a crowdsourcing marketplace. Amazon has a little program with a funny name called Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk works as a hub for outsourced tasks. How much money can I make on Amazon with the Mechanical Turk program? Again, approximately 120 to $200 per hour per week, work week. Handcraft your own items to sell on Amazon through Amazon Handmade. If you are creative, Amazon Handmade may be the spot for you. By invitation only, Amazon Handmade allows artisans to craft and sell their own goods using Amazon's platform. Sell your own shirts, hats, coffee mugs, and more through merch on by Amazon. Have a clever idea for shirt or mug, but don't want to spend the money to create hundreds of them? Then Merch by Amazon is for you. Merch is a print on demand service that allows you to upload designs into the Amazon's database. Then those designs can appear on t shirts, tote bags, coffee mugs, whatever you want. How much money can I make on Amazon through merch? This money making method varies greatly in its return. According to the Merch by Amazon expert, a seller can expect to make $1.50 per product they have listed through the Merch platform. Trade in unwanted items with Amazon's trade in program. While not technically a way to make money on Amazon, Amazon's trade in program does allow you to exchange unwanted items on Amazon for Amazon credit. How much money I can make using the Amazon's trade in program? This money making method varies greatly in its returns. Again, Amazon's trade-in program isn't so much a way to make money as it is a way to earn credit by exchanging old stuff. Offer your services to Amazon's services. Am- Amazon isn't just a platform for e-commerce, they're jumping on board the gig economy too. Essentially, Amazon services allow entrepreneurs to sell their services online. How much money I can make offering the services through Amazon services? The sky is the limit. So you can make in what you ask for it. The market is willingly to pay it. Is willing to pay it. Do seasonal work for Amazon with Camper Force. Did you know that Amazon has a full force of full-time RVers who help the seasonal rushes? It's called Camper Force and brings together a community of enthusiastic RVers. Long story short, you can drive around the country, work a quick job in the Amazon warehouse, get paid, and then head to your next RV vacation destination. How much money can I make as an Amazon Camper Force associate? Around $600 per week. Work in one of the Amazon's fulfillment distribution center. Finally, this one that's been in the news a lot lately. Working in one of the Amazon's massive fulfillment center. How much money can I make working in an Amazon's fulfillment center? Around $30 per year as a full-time associate. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.